I am the general manager. I take care of the well-being of the bird, the production, the lighting, and everything else that has to do with the bird. Props to the engineers. They did a really good job on designing this to be easy to install.
It's different equipment than what we had before. We're not used to the feeding system like this. This system here seems to be working a lot better than our chain system was. Water system is very manageable, a lot easier than what we had before.
One of the things that I really liked about this, the birds really want to lay eggs in the nest. Or compared to the other equipment, a lot of birds will lay eggs on the floor. I believe that this was much easier than a regular nest that goes in the middle. And you got to understand, this is higher and more pieces to it, but it was easier. It was much, much easier. We're having good production right now with them, and I'm very happy for that.